Here it is, the fantastic new Ford 65 Cortina. 4 great new models with great family-size room, great race-bred engines, great new disc brakes, and great new aeroflow ventilation. See and test drive the new 65 Cortina at your Ford dealers now. Ford of Australia presents the fantastic new 1965 Ford Cortina. The miracle car that brings you everything that's great for a great low price. Big family size, truly luxurious interior, famous race-bred engine, new disc brakes, new aeroflow ventilation, 21 cubic feet boot, 40 miles to the gallon economy, all for the great low price of £869, including tax. That's all you pay for the new Cortina 220, newest edition of the Ford Cortina range. Companion to the new Cortina 240, the new Cortina 440, and the new sizzling Ford Cortina GT. For big-time motoring at small car costs, take the test drive of your life at your Ford dealers now.